Did you get, hey, Nixon, hey, did you get a letter from Santa Claus? Read it, don't eat it. He just stole Sienna's. How's that taste? You got your first letter from Santa. Hey, who got a letter from Santa Claus? You did? Is it awesome? Did you get one too?
Yep, I did.
Very cool. Let's see what it says. Here, hold it still. Sienna, you are so good at gymnastics. I like your backflips. I know you want a new American doll. I will ask the elves to make a special one just for you. You're a good sister. Nixon told me he loves you very much and likes you to hold him. Be sure to leave some milk. Is that what it says? I get thirsty traveling around the world on Christmas Eve. Watch out your window Christmas Eve so you can see Rudolph pull my sleigh. Love, Santa.
Oh my gosh.
Did you say something like that too?
Daddy, look.
Should we see what yours says? Okay.
What does this say, Mom?
Yours says, Seth, your teacher told me you are very smart in school. Good job. I hope your throat feels all better before I come to your house on Christmas Eve. You were so brave at the hospital. My elves said a brave boy like you should have some Skylander giants. Is that what you asked them for? They are building yours right now. Remember to leave me 2 cookies. I like gum too. Watch for